What's the meaning of ankle biter? Ankle biter. Ankle biter. Ankle biter. Ankle biter. Ankle biter.
The term ankle biter is commonly used as a slang to describe young children, typically toddlers who are just learning to walk and are small enough to bite someone's ankles. The term is often used affectionately or humorously to depict the playful and sometimes mischievous behavior of young children. However, some may also use it to describe someone who is small or insignificant in terms of authority or power. Overall, ankle biter is a somewhat endearing and light-hearted term, but its usage may depend on the context and tone of the conversation.